Hi, I'm Matthew Michaels with JetBuilt here at the DSE conference in Las Vegas, introducing people to our platform at DSE. This is our first time here. JetBuilt is a quoting platform, so it's going to allow the end user to be able to do product lookups and being able to see MSRP, being able to see quoting margin information, so that way they can produce and render a nice high quality proposal that they can go out and they can win their business. Along with our quoting platform, we have several other modules that can really come in handy. The first of which would be our install module. So it's one thing to be able to quote the platform, but it's another to be able to assign your technicians to jobs, letting them know exactly what they need to be installing, where it needs to be installed, and allowing them to report in the field that the work has been completed in the actual time that was turned in. By the same token, if there's ever an issue with that application, that the products that you're installing, one of the things that you can do is use our service module, so that way you can assign your service technicians being able to see all of the information about the assets that are at trouble, and being able to report back in real time the problems that happened, how it was diagnosed, and seeing it through to completion, capturing all equipment, all expenses. We have stock module that's inside of our application, so if you do buy equipment, put it on the shelf, you can actually see what you have in stock. So all of this can be found. We have videos posted on our website at www.jetbuilt.com. Feel free to stop out there. You can sign up for a free trial, which can give you full access to the application, so that way users can try it out for themselves and see the full power of the application.